Hi, I'm Calvin from Technical Whizz. I'm here with Steve from Noosa at the Sound. Tell us a little bit about Noosa at the Sound, Steve.
We've been here for 3 years now. We moved up from Sydney and taken over the management rights of At the Sound Noosa. 22 rooms, and yeah, there you go. Nice and short.
So you contacted us a little while ago in regards to trying to get your smart TVs to connect to the internet. So we came back and offered you 3 solutions. And describe your internet situation before we came along.
Correct, Calvin. We did contact you. We had a provider for the Wi-Fi internet, but it was limited to 500 megabytes. We jacked it up once we got the NBN to 1 gigabyte, but we found that guests wanted more data, of course, and unlimited. And part of the process as well was to change the TVs over to smart TVs, but to do that we were unable to provide the connection, the Wi-Fi connection, which is why we got Calvin on board to help us out, and did a great job.
So I think you're expecting a stressful day today, would I be right in saying that?
Correct. We've been working on this process for about a minimum of 18 months with our body corporate as well, the owners. It's been a big project, and today's been a fantastic outcome.
So we've been here for a little over an hour and a half, and we've installed some equipment. We've demonstrated how it all works, and you and I have just been around all the rooms and checked out all the TVs. And what do you think so far?
Oh, fantastic. The setup was so simple that it's just seamless. It's easy, and I'm loving it already.
So that's Steve from Noosa at the Sound. Every single room now has smart TVs, full high definition. All the guests have unlimited data and of good speed. So well done, Steve.
Thank you, Calvin. We couldn't have done it without you guys.
Cheers.
Really appreciate it.